So this is the pot with the water. We are going to be covering the pot now and we're going to be washing the saltfish. So here is it now. I washed a little piece of saltfish. I'm going to put it in. We'll give it enough salt.
So what you do first?
I'm going to cut the top off.
Yeah.
Cut the bottom off as well.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to slant the knife. And then I'm going to peel along like this. And then when I get to the end, I slightly lift it with the knife.
Yeah.
There you go. And then I peel around. Wherever it stops, I use the knife again, I slant it. And then I'm going to lift it and take that off. Then the remainder, I'm going to slant the knife again, put it underneath the skin. Then when I get to the end, I'm going to flick it. And then I take my fingers and take it off. And there you go. You do a little trimming. Any remain that is left on it, you take it off. And there we go. We have our smooth, nice peeled banana.
No peel no more, my turn.
Puff the banana off, right there, all the way off. And cut the end off.
Oh, the banana funny.
She's going to cut along. Use your finger to lift it off now, Alicia. Finger to lift it off. Wherever it stops, you cut along there again with the knife. She goes. She's doing a good job so far. Let us see if she can finish it.
Now look so.
I have to teach her how to hold the knife because she's not getting the motion. This is her first time peeling banana.
This one not my first time, don't lie.
Well, she didn't get it 100%, but she got the skin off. Hopefully with practice, she will do well. She's actually peeling the banana like an orange, so she didn't get it. Either my tutoring wasn't good enough, or she's just buffer-handed.
Alright, I'll move along.
This is my banana. Look at it.
Yeah.
This is my first demonstration. It not chop up, you know, but it not hot, you know.
Watch the expert now.
But what you know, look how the expert banana broke. Oh, you did say, Daddy? Peeling banana not off.
Not alright. I don't have to do no double cut or anything. One
cut,
not there.
One cut demonstration by Daddy. Look at Daddy's one cut banana.
Don't have to strip.
No fish strip, but the banana strip gone. Come again, one cut.
One cut.
One cut demonstration by Mr. Walker. It make it look easy. But the banana gone. So one cut, Daddy.
One cut.
One cut. So guys, this is what not to do.
This is how it is done. See, there's not a thing wrong with it.
Tell me what is missing in this banana. So this one with the green thing is mine and kind of brown. Like I said, my banana always come out like that.
And that is not 2 bananas in less than 10% of the time that Alicia uses.
But Daddy live on the earth longer than Alicia, so that don't come. Mommy, you make it look too easy, man.
And all the water dry out of the pot by the table.
No, we have enough water.
May I try?
We don't have the time now, Ali. The time is against us. This is your banana. I'm gonna trim it up a little for you.
I did a good job.
So we can throw them in the pot. Throw the water off and then we're gonna throw this in the pot. Our pot is ready and boiling and our bananas are in. And we're going to cover it for it to boil. It will take about 20 minutes to boil, 15 to 20 minutes. Closer to that time, we will stick them with a fork. If the fork goes through, then they are ready.
How manage this shit stuff? Right now she's sharing for her husband. Look at this kind of kingly treatment.